video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments and I'll try to answer as best as you can. But overall, I love the Tomei Unequal length headers, how they came out, how the car rips, how it sounds. After the Etune stage 2, you know what, I have a catted downpipe from Grimspeed, an Invidia N1 Catback, a dual exit, Grimspeed boost controller, AEM Chargepipe, Mishimoto Intake with the heat box, and what else I got? EGR TGV Deletes. Threw in an oil catch can. I didn't want to do the air oil separator. And yeah, if you guys have any questions at all, let me know. I'm happy that you guys enjoyed my first video and that you had questions, and you know, I'm happy to help. I was happy that there was people when I was doing things that they were able to help me, so I appreciate it. Take care, guys.